Okay guys, this segment always seems to run over the 2 minutes, and I feel like we should really try and home in and just stick to the 2 minutes. So, 2 minutes on the clock. Let's just stick to this. I'm going to show you guys the new wheels for the 370Z. Oh, they look so stunning right now. Let's just go check them out. Okay, so what do I think about these? First of all, I just think they're unbelievable. I've wanted these wheels for so long, but finding them because they're made in the United States are awesome. Getting them shipped across would just cost way too much. These were my twin brother's old wheels, who got them off a friend of mine who got them from America. It's a long story, but either way, we now own them for the Z, which is, whew, it's gonna look so sick. Probably something like this. And in all fairness, this car here, so this car's actually someone we know. That's what got me loving these wheels. He's now moved on to a different set of Avant Gardes. Sharing the wealth and all that stuff. The wheels are an F141, 19-inch, super wide, but they were made to fit the 370, so hopefully I won't need to run any spacers. There are a few little things I need to do to the wheels, just some tidying up, just usual stuff when you get splits. But either way, I'm pretty stoked. I cannot wait to see them on the car. We just need to mount the tyres. Oh, and it's going to start looking awesome. Next thing we need those coilovers, because no matter how nice your wheels are, if your car looks like a wannabe SUV, then you're just driving around in a bloody Juke. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. This was probably a really quick episode. Hopefully hit the 2 minute mark, if not even spared some seconds. Check out two links up top. Old videos, a Saturday video, and the M3 feature video, which is getting a little bit momentum. It needs some more views because that shoot was just, oh, it was awesome. So check it out. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And as always, thank you again so much for watching. So see you soon.